All right, empanaders, what I'm going to show today is how you can increase the amount of hot water that you're getting in your shower. So the shower I'm in right now is one of the showers which is furthest away from the water heater in the basement. So what I've noticed is that the faucets, be it a sink or a shower that's closer to the water heater, it's getting good hot water. The temperature's fine. But as I move away from the water heater, any showers or sinks, the amount of the temperature of the hot water is not the same. So one option that I have is to, of course, increase the temperature of the water heater, but I really don't need to do that because the other showers are fine. What I can do is increase the amount of hot water that's coming out of this shower. So what we're going to do is remove this handle and one plastic piece inside. It's a fairly easy project, so let's get started. So what you need first is a Allen wrench. This is a Moen, common Moen shower handle. So I just need to get underneath this handle and unscrew it with a Allen wrench here. Okay. All right. And there you go. There's a handle that comes out, and here's the Allen wrench screw. So one thing to keep in mind is whenever you're working over a drain, cover it with something so things like screws and nails and drill bits don't fall into it. So I did put a towel down to cover the drain. The next thing is to remove this black piece here, just with a screwdriver. Okay, the black. Right, here's the nail, screw. Okay, so just remember how this will fit in. And another way to know is you see the writing here. This is the top, and this is the bottom. All right. So what you see here is what controls the ratio of the hot water to the cold water. Most of you, if you have a new house or if a plumber has worked on this, there's a limit that they can go in terms of how much hot water can come out. So there are codes that they need to follow. However, you can come in and adjust it. So typically you'll see this outside piece here pointing to about 2 o'clock, which is pretty much what I've seen in most showers. So what you can do now is turn it counterclockwise. The more you turn it counterclockwise, the hotter it will get. The furthest you can turn this is 12 o'clock, pointing and matching to this inside piece. So if you do this, you're going to get a lot of hot water. It's going to be very hot. I don't recommend it. You have a risk of injuring yourself. You may burn yourself. So again, I don't recommend doing this unless you have a real problem with the hot water, and even going at this level doesn't give you water that will burn yourself, but it's enough that you can handle. So what I do recommend is to turn this about this much, somewhere between the 2 and the 12. You could do around 1 o'clock, a little bit less, like that. Depending on what depending on what your desired temperature is. So I'm going to leave it at this. Put this piece back in. Just remember this goes straight in like this. This piece is plastic here, so you don't need to over tighten it. Just a good hand tight tightening is good. So have the Allen wrench screw and the handle. Just insert it back in. And this sometimes is a little tricky, but you just have to play around with it a little bit. And okay, looks like I got it. All right, looks good. So that's it. This is a simple way to get more hot water out of your shower. It's useful if the other showers are getting enough hot water to your desired temperature, and maybe the ones further away from the water heater is not up to your liking. So try it out. Good luck. And if you find these videos useful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.